Hope you were able to find a really nice picture. Hopefully you had fun playing around with some of the formatting options there as well. Let's talk about inserting symbols. I'm going to go back to my Insert tab here. So we were able to insert a few things so far. We inserted a table. We were able to insert a picture. But we do have other symbols that we can insert over here. So over here in our symbols command group, we do have this symbol icon here. And I want to make sure that my cursor is placed where I want it to be, right after symbols here. And I'll go ahead and click on the drop down here. The benefit of adding these symbols is that you can add symbols that are not on your keyboard. So you can choose from a variety of options, including mathematical symbols, currency, copyright symbols as well. Click on my drop down here. And we have some kind of built-in ones in here. If you have inserted symbols, your recent symbols will be showing up as well. So I have some options here. I have some Greek symbols, some Hebrew symbols. So right from here, I can just go ahead and click and it will insert it for me. And again, these are not on our keyboard. Copyright sign, it's right here if you need to go ahead and drop that in. I'll go ahead and click on more symbols. So I get this nice dialog box here as well. Same dialog box that you will get in other Microsoft products as well. But this is very, very robust. And there's a lot of different sections here. So right now I can go ahead and search for either symbols or special characters. Notice that right now I'm currently under symbols. So I can go ahead and specify the type of font that I'm looking for. And I can go ahead and specify the type of subsets I'm looking for. So more than likely, if you're in here, you kind of know what you're looking for. And for me, I'm just poking around here, right? So if I check special characters here, here are some other special characters that I can go ahead and drop in. But under symbols, so right now under normal text, I'll go ahead and change agency, Algerian, right? And so I'll go back to normal text here. And let's see what the subsets are. So we have this Latin 1 supplement. What about basic Latin? Okay, if I just kind of scroll through here, I'll use my little arrow here. Lots and lots of symbols. I don't recognize 90% of them, but they're here for us. I'll go back to that Latin 1 supplement here. And so notice you can go ahead and click on these symbols here. So if I were to click on this, and it will tell you exactly what it is on the bottom here. Okay. So right under here, it's giving you the name. This is a section sign. And this is a copyright sign. This is a registered sign. This is a micro sign. Here's our Pilcrow. We always wanted to know what the name of the symbol was. We often refer to it as a paragraph, but it's called a Pilcrow sign. So if I wanted to go ahead and insert this, notice I'm just clicking on it. I have to click on insert to be able to drop that in there. So right there, it's kind of dropped in for me. And so as you go down, what you'll notice is you'll get different variants here. Okay. You'll start to notice different languages. So here are some Hebrew letters. I recognize this. This is the Gimel. Yes, got it. That's the Gimel. Go ahead and insert that. And we have some other mathematical ones here. Less than or equal to, right? Try finding that on your keyboard, right? Go ahead and insert that. The division, multiplication. Go ahead and add those here as well. Plus or minus. Insert that. Okay. Here's our yen sign, pound sign. So they're all here for us. So go ahead and insert some. Have fun, pause this video, insert as many as you can, and then come right back.